In today's video, I will walk you through how to export a project from Replit. Start by opening the specific Replit project you want to export. Wait a moment for the project to fully load so all of your files appear in the editor. Replit usually saves your work automatically, so you normally won't need to save anything manually. Even so, make sure any recent changes have finished syncing before you continue with the export. Next, look toward the top right area of the interface for the Pane icon that toggles the Files panel. Click that icon to display the Files pane on the right side of the screen. If you don't see the icon immediately, widen your browser window or collapse any extra panels until it becomes visible. The goal is simply to open the Files pane because that's where you'll find the export option. Once the Files pane is open, move to the top right corner of that pane and click the three dots icon. This opens a menu with file-related actions. From the menu, select Download as zip. As soon as you choose this option, Replit will package your project into a single zip archive, and your browser should automatically begin downloading it. After the download is complete, locate the zip file in your browser's default downloads folder, unless you've chosen a different download location. The archive contains your project's files and folders in the same structure they appear in Replit. When you're ready to work with the project on your computer, extract or unzip the downloaded archive. After that, you can open the project in the editor you want to use. If your project is larger or includes many dependencies, the download may take a little longer to finish. Simply wait until the download is complete before trying to open the file. Also keep in mind that some environment-specific items, including temporary files and secret environment variables, are not included in the exported zip. If the download doesn't begin after selecting Download as zip, check whether your browser is blocking downloads or pop-ups from Replit. Once downloads are allowed, try the export again. If you plan to share the zip archive with someone else, make sure it only contains the files you want to distribute before sending it. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully exported your project from Replit as a zip file. You can keep it as a backup, move it to another computer, or continue working with it in another editor whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.